Hi everyone, it's Preview Friday. I'm so excited. All right, we are opening the email together. We have tree trimmers outside, so I'm a little displaced. Hopefully it's quiet enough that you guys aren't hearing that. Okay, so there will be a National Scrapbook Day event Saturday, May 4th in the Facebook group. It'll be a virtual crop. And there's still free shipping, so until March 8th, get what you want before it's no more free shipping and you have to pay for it. Right now it's on orders of $80 or more. Here are the best sellers from launch, and I don't know if you saw it, but I did a Rainbow Dots Border Maker Organizer video. It's my unboxing video of my Creative Memories order. I will put it right here in the top right corner, so you can click that link, watch me open my Rainbow Dots Border Maker organizers, and I demonstrate them as well, and I show you why you need them. Also the Rainbow Pens bundle, and I demonstrate the 2 rainbow pods, the Rainbow Dot pods. So cute, must watch video, my unboxing video. Okay, and then we have just some events that people have shared. And that's it for this week. So remember, free shipping and the Rainbow Dots video, the unboxing video. And then here's the inventory. So last chance, you want to get on that before it's gone. The out of stock and not returning has gotten kind of big, so a lot of stuff is gone. And the out of stock but returning will be coming back soon. And over my last few videos I've had some comments about the rolling carts. Those are gone. Creative Memories, I've been informed by my wonderful subscribers that Creative Memories is not making the rolling cart anymore because it was too costly, and I can understand because it's such good quality. So hopefully they come out with something similar, because I absolutely love my rolling cart. It's indispensable. I use it for even just, obviously bringing heavy things. You just roll your heavy things. I've rolled it on a dirt path up a hill. It's sturdy. It stays like brand new. And then I use it next to me as a paper holder, like a small table that's super sturdy, and it's just the perfect height. So I hope they come out with something. Someone said maybe there'll be rainbow dots, and I hope so. So if you go to the site, you can see there's free shipping going on, and all the new spring birds and blossoms, and National Scrapbook Day is available. So if you want to get the project recipe kit, it comes with everything you need and an idea booklet. And you can add onto your project recipe kit with cardstock, map pack, embellishments. You can get the whole customer bundle, which comes with everything. You can add the mushroom border punch. And then here's the Rainbow Dots Border Maker Organizer. It comes with the inserts for only $39. You guys, you have to get these, I'm telling you. And then if you have the old organizers that are just black, it's the same exact size. You can just buy the inserts for 20 bucks if you don't want rainbows, or if you want to save a little dollar. Okay, and everything else is still on here. We're doing really good. Pick me as your advisor, and have an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for subscribing.